Good morning, SMF MMTs. This is called DJT, Dow Jones Transportation Average. We are looking at how the bull rally, and these are the stocks in the transportation. We've had a complete rally in these names, which is great because each one of them were oversold, just like the transports were oversold. We got lower gasoline. We were in a very deep sell signal. We started to work our way up from this MACD, and you know, it's all public standard technical analysis, MMTs. It's not how you make your decisions on, it's how the public makes theirs. And then how you're going to trade the other side of their exuberance. Now, when we got into the sell signal here, we hit a bottom there. And we put a bottom. The green line is a 200-day simple moving average. It's a very, very long rally, bull rally to all-time tops. I mean, if you take a look at the real tops up here, you're back up to 2008 tops. This is going to be a 2007 top, a 2008 top, where it really failed. And now you're going to have what we call a 2000 top reversal in 2007, a double top reversal in 2008, and now this green line, just like the S&P and the Dow Jones and all of your other key indexes, NASDAQ comp, they all did not want to break their yearly 2011 200-day simple moving average here. And we are going to come up to what we call, I'm going to take this part, okay, you know that the green line is that. You've got a buy signal. You had a bottom that was put in right along this channel line in the transports. Now, when they tapped into the oil reserves, SPRA, or I can't remember the exact name, when they tapped into our reserves and we thought we were going to have a resolution and we were at extreme higher prices, transports had sold off. In my view, we're going to come up to what we call a major top, and not only that, MMTs, right here we're at 89.24% on a daily overbought level. When we were making a bottom here, we were at 6.5%. I'm buying the farm there. And you've been learning how these pendulums with the public work with. When we had the reversal up here, we were at 84% overbought. Now we're more overbought than we were at this reversal, long-term reversal. When we were right here, we were only 50% DS overbought when we made this major down move and put in the bottom. Now, because of the amount of pendulum swing, the amount of buying that came in on those transports, you can clearly see here, MMTs, that we're going to be going into a July quarterly earnings and we're overbought at 89.2%. And we're at major tops. Now, granted that the driving season and everything is going to be better, but the thing about this oil trade, we're 80 cents higher in gasoline fuel. It's still a huge tax on the consumer per se, and it's very important to understand that the Dow transports and financials and or semis usually lead the rallies now. You always want to see the transports leading the rallies. Now, we've come right back up to the tops. We're going into a major catalyst of an earnings season, and everything that these names that haul stuff, fly stuff, rail cars, you know, whatever, you know, UPS and all of them that are in here, all good companies pay good yields, is you have priced in now the best earnings scenario that would happen in July. Okay? The thing to know about these transports is we're going to be taking a look at the bear ETF on the GJT and the bull, and we're going to get both the bear and the bull ETF that go with this top here, and we're going to take a look at what side of the market and or when these fell. When we had 5 days up in a row, we had a 4-day top, we came down, we tested this ridge, which was resistance right there. So let's make sure what we did here is that when we were down here at these bottoms right here, is that we had put in that, and this was going to be this portion of it. We went up, we tested it, and the breakout happened here in 5 days parabolically up. There's actually 3 days, 5 days to the top. So we went straight down when that news was not good, and we've gone straight back up. This area right here is where we cleared these major tops right here, and we blew through that trend line right here, right up to the next one. Now it's going to be show and tell. And the show and tell is that come Tuesday, after this great Independence 4th of July day, is that we're overbought. We're going to take a look at the other side of this overbought trade, looking at the DJT Bear ETF. Overbought Dow Transports, great bull rally, short-term overbought, short-term oversold from the pendulum, as we said, and now we are overbought. And we've done it in a very short period of time.